angry and disappointed. The message from black leaders to the president.
Mr. President, the lives of the people of this state are hanging in the balance.
It is insulting.
They have stood by President Obama in the past, but not now. A local coalition, including 3 African-American members of Congress, say they were deliberately ignored, kept out of the process to fill vacancies on 2 Atlanta-based federal courts. They want all 5 names withdrawn immediately.
The President of the United States and the White House have made a tragic, terrible mistake. We got to lay the blame where it is. And we've got to ask President Obama to do the right thing here and throw these nominations aside.
Only one of the 5 is a minority, but concerns over 2 other nominees in particular. Mark Cohen, lead defense attorney, trying to adopt a stricter voter ID law, and State Judge Michael Boggs, who as a legislator supported keeping the Confederate battle emblem on Georgia's state flag. In the murky world of judicial nominations, political reality has the president trying to please both his base and the opposing party. In what's called the blue slip courtesy, Georgia's 2 Republican senators have the power to essentially block any choice from getting a hearing. The sigh-inducing result? Shaky compromise.
It sure hints at a fairly aggressive policy on the part of the home state Republican senators to play, hardball with the administration. The incentive is for the administration, obviously, to find people that the senators are willing to accept.
Strong pushback from the White House to the complaints from the civil rights community. The administration touts that 18% of the judges he's named are African Americans, and naming 2 women to the Supreme Court, including the first Latina, Justice Sonia Sotomayor.
I think the administration is doing a pretty fair job by now, but it's still working against some pretty serious headwinds.
Now, most of these seats in Georgia have been vacant for a while, some going back several years, and they've been declared judicial emergencies, meaning that shortage has created bulging dockets and delayed trials. It's really the kind of thing we've seen nationwide as both Republicans and Democrats continue to treat the federal courts as a political battleground, Brianna.
So, Joe, the hope of these civil rights leaders is that President Obama will pull these nominations. Is there any sign that that could happen?
It would just be very highly unusual and highly unlikely that the White House would actually reverse directions on this. However, now that the Senate rules have changed on nominations, there could be a day sometime in the future where we see more left-leaning judicial nominations just because it's harder to block them before now,
Yeah, that's right. Simple majority they need, right? And they may probably use that, you would think.
Yeah, entirely possible. You would think if they put that rule in place at some point down the road, they actually have to use it.